Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 108 of 1000. Hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's really good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is all about investing money and being all in on Tesla no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right, join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the following. I'm going to share my day 108 portfolio with you. So it's been 108 days so far. So this is a 1000 day challenge. So we're over the 10% line. So I'm going to share my portfolio with you. I'm also going to be looking at the NASDAQ and the Tesla charts to see where the price may be headed to. And finally, I'm going to look at the RSI, MACD and candlestick patterns to see where the price may be headed to too. So let's get into it. So it's day 108, 10th of April 2022. The market's closed and I've got two portfolios, Portfolio A and Portfolio B. In Portfolio A, I've managed to accumulate a further 0.3765 shares in Tesla. So my total in Portfolio A is just over 124 shares and my total in Portfolio B is just under 91 shares. So in total, I have just over 215 shares in Tesla. So I've reached that milestone. About a month back, I said that was my target. So I've reached 215. My next milestone is to get to 220 as soon as possible because price is low at the moment. It's not going to stay around the 1000 level forever. So I want to buy as much as possible at these levels. My ultimate target is to reach 300. So I'm 71.66% of the way there. I've got a long way to go, but I'm going to get there slowly but surely. And my next milestone is 220 shares. So that's the total number of shares that I hold in Tesla. So what's been happening in Tesla? So Tesla closed on Friday and the closing price was 1025.49. So remember a few days back, the price was nearly at around 1150. So price has slowed down a bit now, but remember price went all the way down to 700 and then it recovered. So it is a very, very volatile stock, but don't be too concerned about the noise. What you have to be concerned with is this is a quality company and buying at any level is good for the long term because price is going to move to like 3,000, 4,000. So when you look at it you look at the grand scheme of things, this move isn't a lot. So when you keep your eye on the long-term price target, that's when you realize just keep on buying and keep on accumulating this fantastic stock. So it's day 108 of 1000, and if I multiply the number of shares that I hold, which is just over 215 shares, by the present value of Tesla, which is 1025.49, I have a portfolio value of $224,484.13. Remember, at its peak, this portfolio was around $250,000, and at its low point, it was around $160,000. So it's somewhere in between now. But like I said, this is such a volatile stock. You have to get used to these movements in your portfolio. You have to keep your aim at the long-term price target, and then with patience and perseverance, you will be rewarded. So that's 108 of 1000. So let's get into the technical analysis now. So let's have a look at the NASDAQ 1-year chart. So as you can see, the NASDAQ 1-year chart broke its support level at 14,200. It broke it and now it's broken the MA50 support level as well. And it's gone down to 13,711. I suspect that the index will go down to 13,400, which will present another amazing buying opportunity if you are accumulating shares like Tesla. So the Qs have retraced to 13,700 level. The index has also broken the MA50 level and it's looking like the price is going to be heading to 13,400. Every time the market is spooked by fear of interest rate hikes, this will happen. So therefore, you will have plenty of opportunities to get into this market and get into fantastic stocks like Tesla. So that's the NASDAQ 1-year chart. So let's have a look at the Tesla 1-year chart. So as you can see, the Tesla 1-year chart, price tried to break back into the trend line, but it failed, and now it's possibly going to retrace back to the 1000 level. If there is further weakness in the market, if there is further weakness in Tesla stock, I suspect that price will go down to the 920 level, which is the MA50, and then that is a strong support level. It'll probably bounce back from there. If it doesn't, it's going to go down to the next support level, which is the MA200 level. So, keep on watching, because I think the market is going to present us with lots of good buying opportunities, and if you can buy Tesla under 1000, that is just a great opportunity. So looking at the Tesla 1-year chart, Tesla tried breaking back into the trend line but has failed. Now it's likely to head back to 1000. If this support at 1000 is broken, it will go down to the MA50 level at 920. Again, these present exceptional buying opportunities. So if you do have some money on the side, consider investing in Tesla. If you've already looked at the company, you've researched the company, you believe in the company, and you will be rewarded over the long term. So I have managed to accumulate as much as possible. If I had some cash available right now, I'd probably drop it into Tesla, but at the moment I'm still waiting for cash to come in, and when it does come in, I'm going to be buying this great company. So that's the Tesla 1-year chart. So let's have a look at the RSI analysis now. So RSI is now near 54.25. It's likely to head back down to 50. So again, it was very overbought at the 70 level, and prices were bound to come down, but again, this is a great buying opportunity at 50. If it goes down further under 50, if it goes down to 30 or something, then again, this is another great buying opportunity, because it doesn't reach 30 that often, and if it does reach 30, it's going to go down to 800, 700 level, and again, these are great buying opportunities. So if you do have some money on the side, try to accumulate as much as possible, because these are great prices to accumulate at. So that's the RSI analysis for Tesla. So let's have a look at the MACD analysis now. So as you can see, the black line is about to cross under the red line. The MACD histogram has been going down nicely, and it's about to cross under, and now the histogram is in negative territory. So again, there is weakness in Tesla stock, and what I think will happen is Tesla will continue to retrace a bit more, because it has had such a run up from 700. It went all the way up to 1150, and that's a great move. That's about 60%, over 60%. So it's going to slow down a little bit now. It's going to start to consolidate. It might come down a little bit, and then you'll have another great opportunity to buy before it goes up again. So that's the MACD analysis on Tesla. Let's have a look at the MACD candlestick analysis now. So as you can see, nothing really significant happening with the candlestick. It looks like it's going to go down to 1000, which I suspect it will. If it breaks the 1000 level, it's going to go down to the 920 level, and again, if it breaks that down, it's going to go to the MA200 level, which is around 890 and 900. So again, these are great buying opportunities. So again, like I said, if I had some money on the side, I would be buying this dip, and I would be buying big. So that's the candlestick analysis for Tesla. So what are the key points to remember? So Tesla has been on a fantastic run all the way from 700 to 1150. That's over a 60% increase from recent lows. Price are now taking a breather, and the market is correcting itself from interest rate fears. So again, this is a great buying opportunity. The MACD is about to cross under, so there is weakness in the price. Again, Tesla is most likely to fall to 1000, and then to the MA50 level at 920. Again, these are great buying opportunities, because Tesla over the long term is gonna 2x, 3x, 4x, and these prices are gonna seem ridiculous when we look back at them. So just keep on buying. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just keep on buying it. I'm just keeping on dollar cost averaging. If I do have extra money, I'm gonna try and put it in Tesla as much as I can. So again, just keep on buying. That's what I'm doing. So the next key point to remember is RSI is near the 50 level, so it's balanced between oversold and overbought. There is a bias towards overbought, so prices may go down further. So again, I'm still in accumulation mode. So these are the key points to remember. So what are my buying levels? So again, my buying levels are at 1,900, 872, 825. So if any of these levels are reached, I will try to buy more than usual, because I know that over the long term it's going to go up, and this is another great buying opportunity that the market has presented with us and Tesla has presented us with. So those are my buying levels. So what is my plan now? So I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into Tesla shares and buy at regular intervals no matter what. I'm going to keep buying at the support levels. I'm not going to sell my position. This is a forever stock for me. I'm going to be keeping it over the long run because I can see so much upside. I mean, if you compare this to Amazon, if you compare this to Apple, I think, it's more profound than these companies. What they're trying to do is they're trying to move the world into sustainable energy, sustainability, and there's so much opportunity, there's so much profit to be made. So this for me is a forever stock, and I'm going to try and keep it for as long as possible. So that's my plan for now. So yeah, join me on my journey. Join me to see if I can hold my shares for 1,000 days. Join me to see if I can accumulate 300 shares in Tesla, and join me to see if my price target is correct and if I can make $1 million in 1,000 days. So finally, I appreciate any likes and I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value, and I wish you all the best on your investment journey. I sincerely do. And until the next update, have a great day and I wish you all the best.